3 divided by 2.42, that is divide 3 by 2.42. Here 2.42 is a divisor and 3 is a dividend. So this divisor is a decimal number, so you need to move decimal to make it whole number, 1 digit, 2 digit here. So you are getting 242 after moving decimal. So you have moved decimal 2 places. So since this is a whole number, so first decimal will appear here, then 1 place, 2 place. So you are getting 300. That is, you need to divide this 300 by 242. Okay. So 242 goes into this 300 how many times? 1 times. Okay, 1 times. Now multiply 1 times 242, that is 242. If you subtract, then you are getting what? Look here, 0, right? So you cannot take away 2 from 0, so you need to borrow. So 1 place, tens place, 100 place. So if you borrow 100, then you will have 200, and 100 in tens column become 10 tens, and if you borrow 110, then you will have 910, and in ones column you will have 10 ones. So take away 2 from 10 ones, so you have 8 ones. Then take away 4 from 9, you have 5. Take away 2 from 2, that is 0. You don't need to write that. Okay. So we are getting this after. Look, after subtracting, we are getting 58. 58 is less than 242. So our guessing number 1 is correct. If it would, if it, okay, so our guessing number is 58, which is less than divisor, so our guessing 1 is correct. Now our answer is 1 remainder 58. But if you want to write your answer in decimal form, then what will happen? Then take here decimal and add number of zeros. You can add any number of zeros. Bring down the first 0. Before the 0 there is a decimal. Decimal must come to here. 242 goes into 580 how many times? Okay, guess a number here, 2. Now multiply this 242 by 2. 4, 8, 4. 484. Look, if I place here 2 and multiply this number by 2, we are getting 484, right? Let me subtract 484. So you are getting here what? Borrow here 110. 110 become 10 ones. So 6, take away 4 from 10, 6. Take away 8 from 7, you cannot do this, so borrow from here. So 4 and 1 hundreds become 10 tens plus 7 tens here, that is 17. So if you take away 8 from 17, you are getting 9 here. Okay. Now work here. Take away 4 from you are getting 0. That is 96. So after subtracting, we are getting 96, and 96 is less than 242, that is divisor. So our guessing 2 is correct. Okay. So now bring down another 0. Now we have 960. Okay. So guess a number, and then you need to, if you guess something here, and then you need to multiply this number by this number, which will be near or equal to this number. So take here what? Take here 4, let's say, and try. Multiply this by 4. 4 times 2, 8. 4 times 4, 16. Write 6, carry 1. 4 times 2, 8, plus 1, 9. 968, which is greater than 960. So our guessing is not correct. So let's step down 1. 3, right here 3, and multiply. 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 4, 12. Write 2, carry 1 to the next column. 3 times 2, 6, plus 1, 7. 76. This 726 is less than this. So place here 726. Now subtract. Look, borrow 110. 110 in ones column will be 10 tens, 10 ones. So now take away 6 from 10, 4. Now take away 2 from 5, 3. Take away 7 from 9. Look, 234, which is less than 242. So our guessing 3 is correct. Okay. Now bring down another 0. Now you need to guess a number and multiply with this. So let's guess here 8, 9. That is, you are adding this 9 times. So multiply this by 9 and let's see. 9 times 2, 18. Write 8, carry 1 to the next column. 9 times 4, plus 1, 37. Write 7, carry 3 to the next column. 9 times 2, 18. 18 plus 3, 18. 21. 21, let me write here 2178. Let me subtract. Take away, okay, borrow 110. So you will have 310 here, 3 tens. So 110 will become 10 tens in ones column. 2, you cannot take away 7 from 3 tens, so borrow. If you borrow 100, then you will have 2 hundreds. So 100 in tens column becomes 10 tens plus 3, that is 13. Take away 7 from 13. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, right here 6. Now take away 1 from 1, 2, 1. Take away 2 from 2, 162. 162 is less than 242. So our guessing 9 is correct. Look here, we have gotten 3 decimal, we have gotten 3 digit after decimal. So now since this process is continuing and our last considered dividend is not 0, that is, this is the remainder, so we can place here 3 dot, means this process is continuing. So 1.239 is our answer.